Hi there, it's Kurt Nilsen with True Compass Lending, and I help people get financing for their homes. You know, I'm really committed to helping you buy a home if that's your goal, so that's why I put these short little videos together. This week I want to talk about consumer debt. And consumer debt just means any monthly payments you make towards companies that charge you interest. You know, like cars, credit cards, student loans, and things like that. Now, I understand we all need a car, and most people have a credit card or two or three or four. And I talk to a lot of people every week, and I often see that consumer debt prevents people from buying a home. I know money is tight these days, and sometimes qualifying for a home isn't easy, but keep in mind as you're getting ready to start the home buying process that every $50 a month you have in consumer debt reduces your home buying power by $10,000 in purchase price. So here's what I mean by that, and I'll illustrate it with a story. Just last week I got a call from a young man, and he was sick and tired of renting, and he was very excited about buying a home for he and his new wife. They had figured out that a home in the $200,000 price range was what they wanted, and they'd actually found one online that they were really excited about. So as we talked about his goals, I asked some questions about he and his wife's income and their debt, and it turned out that they had, in the last 3 months, bought a used fifth wheel to go camping in. Now, nothing wrong with that. Nice to have a fifth wheel, but with this fifth wheel also carried a monthly payment of $250 a month. Now, remember what I said about each $50 a month in consumer debt reducing buying power by $10,000 in purchase price. This case was a perfect example because based on their income, their debt, and what the projected payment would be on the $200,000 house they wanted, that $250 a month fifth wheel prevented them from buying the $200,000 house. That $250 a month brought their buying power down by $50,000, so they could only qualify for a $150,000 home. In the, say, 50-mile radius of Portland, where we do the majority of our home loans, it's a huge difference between $200,000 purchase price and $150,000. And it's very difficult. It's getting very difficult, if not almost impossible, to find a $150,000 home anymore that's financeable. There's fixers out there in a $150,000 range, but you can't finance them. The banks won't lend on them until the work is done. So anyway, I thought it would be valuable to you, and I just wanted to give you an idea of how the consumer debt affects home buying purchase power. You know, honestly, it doesn't matter to me who you call, but seriously, my final encouragement would be, even if you're months away from buying a home, heck, even if you're 2 years away from buying a home, I can't emphasize enough how important it is to call a mortgage professional early in the game so they can advise you on tips to help you get into a home when you're ready. So that's it for now. Please remember, I'll be here for you whenever you're ready, and that I'm truly committed to helping you during the home buying process. So check out the box down below this video. You'll see some cool links that offer a way to get approved for your home loan, how to raise your credit score, instant access to my library of online real estate workshops, and be sure and sign up for the next home buyers workshop that you can watch from the comfort of your home. Keep in mind there's no cost or obligation to talk to me, so if you have any questions, or if you or any of your friends, family, or coworkers would like to chat about getting a home loan or refinancing into a lower rate, I'm just a phone call or an email away. So I do appreciate your time. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you soon.